Hey everybody, Dr. Nelson here. This is a video about a new concept. It's called a compound inequality. Okay, so what exactly is a compound inequality? I'll just read you the definition. A compound inequality is a sentence with two inequality statements joined either by the word or by the word and. All right, so I would definitely highlight that or underline that. That definitely explains what it's all about. I'm sure right now you're going, what does this mean? Well, I'm going to show you a couple examples. It's actually pretty straight to the point. Alright, so if you turn the page, so here's an example of a compound inequality involving or. Alright, so here we have y minus 3 is greater than 5, okay? And then or y plus 3 is less than negative 2. And so what I did is I solved each inequality. Alright, so we get y is greater than 8, okay, and that's graphed over here. All right, and then we have y is less than negative 5, and that's graphed over here. All right, so then basically what you do is you graph both, okay, and you can see if a solution is in either this set of numbers or this set of numbers. Okay, but let me give you this a real life example. If you turn the page, all right, here's a really good example of a compound inequality involving or. All right, I'm sure you've been to the movies before. All right, here's the Minions, right? And not everybody pays the same amount of money to go to the movies. Well, discounts are often given to kids and also senior citizens. All right, so this is a nice example of a compound inequality, right? Where students under the age of 12 get a discount, okay, and then seniors who are 65 or older, all right, also get a discount. All right, so let's say, for example, we have say a value of A equals 70, okay? Would they get a discount? And the answer is yes, because they would be on this side of the graph, right? Or let's say if a student is 7 years old, okay? Would they receive a discount? And the answer is yes, because they're on this one, okay? So it's either this one or this one, they'll get a discount. All right, so that's really a good example of a compound inequality involving or problems. All right, now let's take a look at the and. All right, the and is a little more confusing, but not much. Okay, in and inequality, notice we have two inequality signs. So we have negative 2x is going to be less than 20, but also greater than, okay, negative 10. Right, so the value of x has to satisfy this inequality as well as this one. Okay, so that's the big difference between and or. With and, it has to satisfy both inequalities. All right, and here's another real life example of an and. All right, so say if Curtis Corner Middle School was having a dance. All right, and anyone who is at least 14 years old, okay, and is not older than 18 may attend the dance. Okay, well, they have to be older than 14, right, but less than or equal to 18. So this is probably more like a high school dance, right? So right in this area, this is the only people who can attend the dance. So again, you have to be older than 14, but less than or equal to 18. All right, so that's the range that who can attend the dance. All right, so hopefully you have a better understanding of what exactly a compound inequality is. And there's two types. There's the and type, and then there's the or type.